Here we go.
Drop it.
Alright guys, hey, I'm back again. Just got the oil pan bolts cleaned and cut myself, because I'm an idiot. My bro's out here.
What a full Sparky.
Tagging everybody in the ball gazer. I actually have to break into my brand new, never been opened 10 mil kit, because guess what I lost? My 10 mil.
You must have lost your tool in the toolbox.
Yep. Now, thanks to the guy who sold me the car, I have every Bentley manual I would ever need for this vehicle. And, oh no, don't fly away, I need you. We're going to go ahead and probably go to a montage in a second, but I just want to talk quickly. I have the manuals for this. We're going to be using right stuff. I'm going to attempt to put this back on the right way, get everything set, but first I've got to take the rear main seal out, which may or may not work. So I don't know. I don't know if I got to take it off the engine stand. If I do, I'll be a sad lad. Now we're going to switch to speeding up the footage. So yeah.
Redneck shenanigans.
You know it. Guys, had a rear main seal leak. Can't say certain things on air. There is.
It's not a swear word. You wouldn't get demonetized for that.
Yeah, I would. So there's all this junk inside the seal. Something got in there, and it's. Oh wait, what am I doing? No, don't do that on the oil passage.
Dummy.
Yeah, I'm not the brightest. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna speed the footage back up while I get the seal out. Alright guys, we're back fixing the last little piece. So rear main seals in. It was kind of a...
You only get to see the label in this one.
Yeah, you can only see the label on the beverages we're drinking. I'm not sure if that's...
You get a B this time.
We get a B and an R. We got a PB first and a BR later.
It's more expensive than PBR.
Is it though?
If you're local, you'll get it.
I mean,
if you're local, you'll get it.
That's not more expensive than PBR. That's cheaper than PBR.
If you're local, you'll get it.
Yeah, but it's still cheaper than PBR.
But if you're local,
yeah,
you'll get it.
I mean,
brewed right here.
Freaking. No, actually, I can just bleep it out.
Yeah.
I wonder what I'm gonna have to use for a bleep sound now. Last time I just cut the...
You better watch your mouth, I'm going to slap you.
I have to bleep that out too.
Hey there, paper boy.
Paper boy, I got some pan gas.
Bedtime for me.
You need some pan gaskets, don't you? Got some pan gaskets in the basement. Really? I actually need pan gaskets for my motor.
Giggity, giggity, goo. All right. Hey, mate, you 18 yet?
No. All right, Meg, you have a good day. It's your birthday. Congratulations.
You 18 yet?
Oh.
I don't care shop flavor. Shut up.
Yeah. What kind of shop?
I'm too broke to care.
Can you hold that like that for me?
But then, or cigarette, both. gonna have to bleep that one out too for all the religious nuts.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to bleep a lot of me out because I don't change for no one.
Yeah, neither do I. My mama said you were a bad influence. Your mama's right.
Here you could sacrifice one.
Yeah, but instead of sacrificing a bolt,
You could scavenge.
well, instead of I'm on a time limit, so I'm just gonna freaking do it.
Hey, what's this one?
Huh? Let's see. Hold on, let me see. Too long.
No, it's not.
Yeah, no, that's too long. Don't even put that in my...
Makes no difference if it's sweet or hot. Just give that rhythm everything you got.
don't treat me so mean. You're the meanest old woman that I ever seen. I guess if you say so, I'll pack my things and go.
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
Must be talking.
Hit the road, Jack. Woman, don't you treat me this way, cause I'll be back on my feet someday.
I don't care if you do it Sundays too. You ain't got no money, you're just another. I don't care if you do it Sundays too. You ain't got no money, you're just another.
Well, I guess if you say so, I pack up my things and go. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
Must be talking.
Oh, woman, don't you treat me this way, cause I'll be back on my feet someday.
I don't care if you do it Sundays too. You ain't got no money, you're just another.
Just if you say so, pack up my things and go.
I guess if you say so,
Pack up my things and go. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more.
hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
Oh yeah, Jack, don't you come back no more, no more, no more. Don't you come back no more. Don't you come back no
Must be
more.
talking.
Don't you come back
I
no
do
more.
not understand you.
Don't you come back no more.
Oh, baby, please.
Don't you come back no more.
I've known and I've known some. Until I first met you, I was lonesome. And when you came inside, dear, my heart grew light and this whole world seemed new to me. You're really swell, I have to admit you deserve expressions that really fit you. And so I've racked my brain hoping to explain all the things that you did to me. Mere Mr. Shane, please let me explain. Mere Mr. Shane means you're grand. Mere Mr. Shane, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land. It means you're the fairest. It means you're the fairest. It means you're the fairest in the land. You're the explain. Mere Mr. Shane means you're grand. Mere Mr. Shane, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land.
Greetings from the Andrews sisters. I'm Patty. I'm Maxine. And I'm Laverne.
That'll be it for tonight. Alright guys, there's a lot of footage I took, but you're only going to see probably, I'm going to try and cut it down in 15, maybe 20 minutes. This is going to be the start of the assembly of the car. I had to break out the Bentleys, you know, Some people have Ferraris. I've got not one, but two vintage Bentleys. Just having a good time out here, guys. My brother was out here for a while. I'm going to see him a lot more dealing with the bike stuff. He doesn't really help me out a whole lot with my cars. Me and him just kind of get into these kicks. So, yeah. That'll be it for tonight. See y'all next time. Peace.